everybody, this is Cara Ortiz with the Lifespan program through the EUP ISD, and today I'm making Michigan Harvest of the Month tuna apple salad. I have all my ingredients here. Let's take a look. It's tuna apple salad, so we're going to start with some tuna, right? And the recipe calls for 2 6-ounce cans of tuna. I was able to find a 12-ounce can of tuna, so that's what I grabbed. And it's tuna packed in water and drained. So I have it ready to go here. I'm just going to dump it in my bowl. Okay. All right, great. Tuna apple salad. So let's look at our apple next. The recipe calls for 1 medium-sized apple, cut and cored. It's just chopped up into smaller chunks. You can use whatever kind of apple you want. I used a Honeycrisp apple. Okay. And I'm going to add that in with my tuna. And the nice thing about this too is that we left the peel on the apple. Apple peel actually has a lot of the fiber and vitamins and antioxidants in the apple are found in the peel. So whenever you can leave the apple peel on when you're cooking with apples, it's a great thing to do. Apples, of course, are also loaded with water, which is awesome for us. Whenever we can get some extra water into our diets, that's great. So we have the tuna, we have apple. Next thing, a little bit of red onion is what the recipe calls for. I have a whole bunch chopped up and prepped here, but I'm actually just going to use 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Okay. And let's see, we need some celery, which I also have chopped and ready to go. 1/4 cup of celery, washed and chopped. All right, so I'm going to add that in. And golden raisins, 1/4 cup of those as well. Okay, adding those into my mix. It's getting kind of colorful now. All right, and last thing I'm going to add is some fat-free Italian dressing. And actually, the posted recipe for this calls for having the salad with some salad greens in a pita, like a sandwich. And I don't have pita with me here, but I have some pita chips. So I'm just gonna taste mine on some pita chips, and because of that, I'm gonna use a little bit less of the salad dressing. I think the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons total, and some of that would be on those greens. I think 2 cups of greens is what it calls for normally. But I'm just gonna use 2 tablespoons and mix it right in with my other salad ingredients. Okay. All right. Gonna go ahead and stir it all up now. And if you aren't big on tuna and you want to use canned chicken, that would be a good alternative. Or of course you can use just cooked, chopped chicken. Doesn't have to be canned. Okay. That's how my finished product looks. All right, and I'm gonna scoop a little bit for myself into a bowl here. Okay, and I'm gonna try some on my pita chips. Ooh, if I can scoop some up. Wow. Sorry, I was doing a lot of chewing there. It's a good mix of flavors. I love how there's the different textures. The apple and the celery are really kind of crisp and crunchy, and the tuna is softer. And then you have some sweetness and a little tartness from that Honeycrisp apple, and then the tuna and onion and celery flavors. It's just a really good mix, really tasty. So I hope you give it a try. I'll post the recipe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.